Pendant 2 ans, Georges a construit et travaillé dans une fabrique de crème glacée. Il a suivi une formation en Italie et puis collaboré à la création de Arabic Ice Cream à Naplouse. À la suite de ces expériences a démarré son grand projet, celui d'implanter une nouvelle fabrique à Bethléem et qui devrait de plus faire vivre quelques familles. Georges a reçu le soutien moral du consulat italien à Jérusalem, mais il reste néanmoins dans l'impossibilité de mener à bien ce projet sans une aide supplémentaire.
Hi, I am George Handel. I am Palestinian. I'm living in Bethlehem. Since 1948, the Palestinian situation became worse more and more. Till today, we became in a real prison. Each Palestinian city is completely separate from other Palestinian cities. Kalkilia, Ramallah, Nablus, Jenin, Tulkarem, all of it, it's the same. But the situation of Bethlehem, it's the most worst one. Because the economic of Bethlehem, it's 95% depending on tourism industry. And the last 5 years, the Israeli government create a lot of difficulties to let the tourists enter Bethlehem by creating this big high cement wall. By this wall, they let the tourists just enter Bethlehem to visit Nativity Church and to go back to Israel for hospitality and shopping. That's why I think it's very important to create our own jobs and try to produce our own local products, which completely independent from any Israeli materials. So, my project is to produce homemade ice cream. By this way, with the help of the others, we can create jobs for some families of Bethlehem, because the unemployment percentage of Bethlehem people is 72%. I began this project before 2 years in a very small place, but with the help of some Italian and Belgian friends, we make this place, but it's not finished yet. And we hope to find some other help to finish this ice cream Palestinian project. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that you understand our worst situation. مع السلامة.
شو بدك؟